Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of the H9 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a new smartwatch. This is from TikTok shop, and you can also get this one guys from Shopee. So I'll just put the link in the description box if you're interested about these products. So I only got this one guys for only around 250 pesos. So let's check out guys if the price is somehow reasonable with its features. So let's do the unboxing. Our H9 smartwatch. Okay. So, okay, we have here smartwatch and multiple sports modes to choose from. Okay, we have heart rate, and we have here the different colors. Yes, guys, I've been reviewing many products, smartwatches, but so far, guys, this one is really affordable. So let's open the box. So we have here this charger. So this is okay, and okay, it's very straightforward guys, nothing much in the box. We just have here the manual. Okay, so let's put them aside. Then let's turn it here. Okay. So this is the watch guys, and looking at it directly, you cannot say that it's really cheap. So because somehow it gives you that good quality feeling. Okay, and okay, there's the screen, and on the left we have here the speaker grill, and on the right so we have here the crown, and at the back so you have here the sensors and our silicone wrist band. Okay, so it's already turned on guys. So upon turning on, you have here the different watch faces. So let's count. We have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we've got 5 watch faces guys, and so far it's gives you that nice feeling of the smartwatch. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And you swipe up, so we have here the different shortcuts. When we swipe down, so we have here the shortcuts, and also when you swipe to the right, we have different also widgets. Okay, so for the feature, so let's check. And by the way guys, here is the crown, so you can use this one to manipulate. Okay, and when you press this one twice, okay, it will change the style. So by the way guys, let's check the different features. We have sports mode. Okay, we have walk and the different kinds of sports mode. Sleep, we have here speedometer, heart rate sensor. Okay, let's just check it very quickly. Okay, and sensors, and it's lighting up. We have blood pressure guys, and just a reminder, this is just for reference guys. If you have problem with your health, then you must use the approved medical equipment for that. We have blood oxygen level, message, dial, Bluetooth music, weather, calculator, alarm, sedentary stopwatch, taking pictures, voice assistant, find phones. Okay, we have here find phones. Okay, car race. Okay, we have also here the game, so it's also nice that you can get to play with for just an affordable price. Okay, and settings, calendar, contact, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, drink, reboot, shutdown, language, QR code, app view, display, bedside, Bluetooth, about, shake to answer, grid view. For a very affordable price, you can already get these features of our H9 smartwatch. So as a smartwatch reviewer guys, I am really amazed. Okay, for the manufacturer of this watch, they're able to fit all of these features, but the price is just very reasonable, especially in 2025. So I can say that for in this 2025, this is by far the most affordable yet good quality smartwatch in the market. Okay, and by the way guys, of course I did the unboxing, but I actually did use this one for a week, and all I can say guys is that the battery is really nice. I've been using this one for a week, and guys, as you can see, it's low battery because I haven't charged it since I've received it guys. So can you imagine, for a 250 peso smartwatch, around $5, it's already in there. So guys, if you're interested and if you want to know more about this smartwatch, just comment below and let me know about your thoughts about this smartwatch. Okay, and all I can say is for the price, it's really bang for the buck. Like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you in our next video.